I understand what we've been told is that there's bears back here. That's what we're going to investigate. You guys heard that?
Now we're here. Video of Joe feeding sunflower seeds to the bear. Cleaning the wild animal.
We're in Alaska. I don't know if a lot of people know that. So far, this just looks...
Oh, that's another photo opportunity.
That's vampire bats.
Vampire bat. Alright, we're still on the path of a report of a bear. That's all we know right now.
Lee and I have this car.
We're coming up to it.
Alright, this looks like bear territory. We're gonna
I heard there were bears up here.
Alright.
Get that right, Mark?
Where is he? Do you see him?
Yeah.
Where is he?
Mark, get your ass up here.
I don't see him.
You would have to walk up and have one on your right or left.
Yeah.
That's real important.
Hey, Yogi. Mark, you really demonstrated your bravery here.
Mark, start filming just in case.
I'm filming all of this. I want to know where the bear went to the right.
He went over to the right.
Okay, is he right behind that thing?
No, he's back on the other side of the...
Oh, there's one.
Where?
Big
Where?
right there.
Where?
See him? Going into the woods. See him? Whoa! There they are. The bears. Can you believe this? Oh, you took them off, Joe.
You got the thing rolling?
Yeah, we got it rolling. These are the bears.
Joe, will you take some more fucking pictures?
Oh.
You took 2 pictures.
I took 3.
We'll take 3 more. Look at it. Oh, he's peeking up over. Come on, let's walk up this way.
Oh shit, there he is!
Joe, you gotta get out of the way. Closer than this. I wouldn't get too close. Because he is eating.
Joe, go up right behind the boards right there.
Oh!
If you're a man.
This next clip is Joe being ripped to shreds.
Come on, Joe, let's see how close
There's
you
one
can
up
get.
to your right, I just heard him.
As long as he knows we're here.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Shivago.
Oh.
Dr. Doolittle.
And Joe, there Joe is, getting up close to him.
Risking my life for bear pictures. Keep in mind, folks, that we are filming.
Oh, there's a good shot. I think he's protesting our camera taking. You have all the halibut you want.
We got plenty of halibut for you.
So we caught a 119 pounder today. Oops.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
All
I
right.
have bear pictures.
So, Mark, the girl who... Joe, give me a
Look, can you hit that on? 6 of those are bear pictures.
So what? Is there a zoom lens on this?
Where are the cubs? I thought the bear
Just don't
had
stick it out.
cubs.
It's supposed to stick out.
If you think for
Yeah.
1 second.
No!
Yeah, he's so fat and happy.
Okay, that's good. Thanks, Joe. There was 5. We
Yeah.
only see 1. It's time to go.
There it is. Cool. Whoa.
Cameras on both sides. It's right there.
It's hard to film in here. Sorry.
Wow, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. the ultimate rock climbing experience.
We just rappelled down those rocks.
To get in here, we had to. I just dove.
Last day.
Catch a king.
Catch cans, and ride. One more opportunity to die on this.
Have a good time.
Great time.
Awesome.
It's not done yet. One more thing. 50 pounds. King of the day.
King of the day. You got it?
So
Yeah.
cool.
That one's angry.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
All that.
That's
That was
gonna
outrageous.
That's gonna be great. Keep the job. Hey.
He's wearing out.
There you go.
Nice.
Woo!
Way to go, Joe.
Beat Joe.
Good job, Joseph.
King of the day.
Oh,
Get that on video?
yeah, I did.
Violence.
Never crushing this shit out.
Everett knows exactly where to hit him, right in the temple.
All right.
Woo! He missed it.
Maybe backward again.
Welcome to Fantasy Island. Well, we're back in Ketchikan, Alaska. Just got off the float plane. I was fine. And we're gonna spend a night here. Trip was unbelievable. Caught a lot of fish, had a lot of laughs. Didn't hear an automobile. It's a great time. Fantastic time.
I'd like to say that I'm very happy to be here in the Super 8 Motel in Ketchikan. It's a beautiful town. I'm sure Mark has shown you some of the sights out the window there, including the float planes landing on the ocean or river or lake, whatever that is. Glad that we didn't die on the float plane. And I'm looking forward to about 16 hours in a plane tomorrow, courtesy of my father.
Can you talk to us real quick? Because I'm getting the tape sign, which means we did 120 minutes of tape. That couldn't be, could it?
What would you like me to say?
I'd like you to talk just briefly about the TWA flight out here.
I enjoyed it very much. It was 103 in St. Louis, and the air conditioning was broken on the plane. I very much enjoyed sitting on the tarmac in a plane with no air conditioning for an hour and 40 minutes. I had about 12 gin and tonics, and that didn't seem to work too much to alleviate the
Not
heat.
at all.
But we are very thankful for those great TWA tickets. It's a great carrier. We got a plane taking off in the background here. It's been a super trip, and we can come back sometime, and I hope that somebody can watch this tape and without listening to all the cuss words I've shown, only about half of which are mine.
Right.
So.
Right. Signing off from Ketchikan, Alaska, 1995. Our trip.
Get a close up of my hat.
Our trip to Waterfall Resort in Ketchikan, Alaska, to go after the king salmons. We caught a lot of king salmons, all of them most of them in excess of 30, 35 pounds. Caught a lot of halibut. We caught
Red snapper.
red snapper. I was the
Lingcod.
king of red snapper. Lingcod. We got big boxes of fish coming home.
6 boxes of fish. We caught a lot of black bass, which the guide made us throw back, but if we caught them at home, we would have thought they were the greatest things alive because they're like 4 or 5 pound black bass.
Yeah.
But they just don't cut it here at Waterfall.
What a fantastic time. All right, signing off. Until next year.